In this short tutorial, you will learn how to transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another. Transferring your account is important if you get a new phone or want to use Instagram on another device. Fortunately, transferring your Instagram account is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. First, make sure both of your phones are connected to the internet and have downloaded the Instagram app. Then, open up the Instagram app on the device that you are currently using. And then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the very bottom and tap where it says Log Out. So before logging out of your Instagram account on the current device, make sure you know the login details of your account. Then tap Log Out one more time to confirm it. Once you've logged out of your Instagram account on your old phone, get the new phone that you want to transfer your Instagram account to. And then open up the Instagram app, and then you have to either enter the username, email address, or phone number associated with your Instagram account along with the password, and then tap the login button. It will take a couple of seconds to log into your Instagram account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.